Let's connect a smart SIM card to our iPhone. If we are looking at the iPhone, we can see on the right side is a power button, on the left side volume up and volume down button. And if you're looking a little bit down area, you can see there it is. It is a cover with a hole. There it is. And behind that cover is the SIM card tray. We are using a SIM extraction tool to push the needle into the hole area, and now we can pull out the SIM tray, and then we can adjust and attach a new micro SIM card, no, the SIM card, no, a nano SIM card we have to place in that tray here. The micro, no, the nano SIM card contains five edges, and 3 edges are standard edges, and the 4th edge of the SIM card is a double edge. It is formed a little bit other than the other edges, as you can see. The chip has to look not into the range of the tray. It has to look into in the opposite side, and you can see it will match only one position on that system, so you cannot attach it in a wrong way. Awesome. But you have to push it a little bit into position, and then we can re-enter this SIM card tray back into the phone. Easy, as you can see. Push it, job's done. Now we have entered the new nano SIM into this still running system. And now we have to enter the passcode of the SIM card.